Yes, sir.
Let me start the Python. Let me go through the point by point. What is Python? Python is the high-level programming language. Can you please repeat it again? What is Python? Python is the high-level programming language. Satish, say this one. Here, Python is the high-level programming language.
Python is a high-level programming language.
Next, connecting. Go to the next point. Why Python? Prasad garu. Why Python? Python used to build machine learning applications, deep learning applications, NLP applications, generative AI, and agentic AI. Python is the prerequisite for machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, and agentic AI. Say this one. Coming to the Python. Python is the prerequisite to build machine learning applications, to build deep learning applications, to build NLP applications, to build generative AI applications, to build agentic AI applications, agentic AI, and to build fast API, to build which applications are fast API, and to build automation script also. Automation script also. Fine. Got it or not? And another thing. Fine. Vamsi garu. And one more thing. Python supports so many libraries. Very, very important. Coming to the Python, Hamamani. Coming to the Python supports so many libraries, number of libraries to build high-end applications. First one. What is the first library? The first library is the NumPy library. Team, can you tell the point again? What is the first library? Gopal garu. What is the first library? Library.
NumPy.
Why NumPy library?
NumPy
Why NumPy
library.
Say this one. To perform numerical Python or not?
Yes.
Am I right or not? Numerical Python. Can you please read it again? People need to read it again. Can you please read it here? I will repeat. Don't fill the boring. What is Python? Python is the answer. Python is the high-level
High-level
programming language.
programming language.
Python is the high-level programming language. Why Python? Python used to build. Python used to build responder. Coming to the Python. Python used to build machine learning applications, deep learning applications, GenAI applications, Agentic AI applications, and NLP applications. Next one, Python supports what? Python support for so many libraries, Sushma, so many libraries. What is the first library? NumPy library. NumPy stands for what? NumPy stands for what? Numerical Python. Next one. See the another thing here. And one more thing is the TensorFlow. One more library is there, TensorFlow. TensorFlow used to build deep learning applications. What is the library name? TensorFlow used to build deep learning applications. And another thing. And one more thing is the NLTK. NLTK used to build NLP applications. Used to build which applications? NLP applications, natural language processing applications. Yes or not? And another thing. And another thing is the see the one more library. The one more library is the lang chain, and a lang graph. Lang chain and a lang graph used to build agentic AI applications. Used to build which applications? Agentic AI applications. So many libraries are there. Next one. Here we have one more library. Which library? Pandas library. Na? Why Pandas library? Used to handle Excel files or not? Used to handle Excel files, CSV files, and the JSON files also. And the JSON files also. In order to handle Excel files, CSV files, and the JSON files also. Then we will use one library. Then that library we can call Pandas library. And another thing, Scikala. We have another library. We have another library. Then that library we can call Matplotlib. We have one more library. Then that library we can call Matplotlib. Why Matplotlib? Used to draw. Used to draw graphs or plots. Used to draw graphs or plots. In order to draw graphs or plots, we will use one library. Then that library we can call Matplotlib. And another thing. And another thing, we have another library. Which library? Seaborn library. Why Seaborn library? Used to draw the rich graphs. In order to draw the very rich graphs, then we will use the what? Seaborn library. And another thing. And one more thing is that here we have the one more library. Then that library we can call Fast API. Why Fast API? Used to develop, used to develop REST APIs. REST APIs. You know REST APIs. REST APIs means what? Get request, post request, put request, next one, delete request, like this also. So many things are there. We have the number of things. Then that one we can call the Fast API. To run Fast API, we need one a lightweight server. We need one a lightweight server. Then that server we can call UVCon server. And why this one? Use it to run, use it to run Fast API calls. Use it to run which one? Fast API calls. Then we need to go for UVCon server. Fine. Team, I'm repeating again here. Whoever joined it today here. Today is the first class on the Python. Today is the first class on the Python. Try to understand it here. Fine. Hamamali, can you please explain here? Python supports what? Python supports what? Respond, please
It
unmute
supports
yourself.
so many libraries
Lib-
actually.
Libraries. To build what?
High-end
To build what?
applications.
High-end applications. In order to build high-end applications, it will support so many libraries. In the future, how to build deep learning applications. In the future, how to build deep learning application. TensorFlow or not? TensorFlow. TensorFlow is the library, is used to build deep learning applications. Not only TensorFlow, and PyTorch also there. PyTorch. And one more library is the PyTorch library. These two libraries are used to build deep learning applications. But team, how to build NLP applications? How to build
Using
NLP?
NLTK library.
NLTK is the library used to build NLP applications. How to build Agentic AI applications? Agentic
Lang
application.
chain library and lang
Chain and land graph.
Language chain and a language graph is used to build agentic applications. So, how to handle mathematical calculations?
NumPy.
Using NumPy library.
With the help of what? With the help of a library. Then that library we can call NumPy library. It's a matter. How to handle Excel files, CSV files, and JSON files with the help of library, Pandas library. We count on a library, and that library we can call Pandas library. How to draw the normal graphs? How to draw the normal graphs with the help of what?
Using
Matplotlib
library.
how to draw rigid graphs, with the help of what?
Using Fluent
How to
library.
develop, API calls, how to develop API calls,
Fast API.
Fast API.
how to run API calls, how to run
Unicorn.
API
Using
Unicorn.
Unicorn library.
Unicorn, sir.
to display styled text like I wanted to display green color text, blue color text, yellow color text, table, progress bar, and to display styled output, we need one library. Then that library we can call rich library. We need one library. Then that library we can call rich library. What is the library name? Rich library. Use it to display. Use it to display styled output. Styled output. Example. Example is nothing but green color output, green color display, table display, progress bar, bold text, panel display, and like this also. So many things are there. We have the multiple things. Got it, Arnata. And another thing, Gopal Garu, and one more thing. These are all the libraries are Mata. Lingaras Garu. These are all the libraries are Mata.
Yes.
These are with all the libraries. We should download these libraries. We want to download these libraries. How to download? To download these libraries, we have one tool. Which tool? Pip. Pip is the tool. Pip is the tool used to download. Used to download libraries. What are the libraries are there? If you want to download these libraries, we have one tool. Then that tool we can call the pip. Pip is the tool used to download what? Used to download the libraries. Got it or not? And another thing, one more point. One, we need to write the Python code or not? Reply team. We should write the Python code or not? Please answer.
Yes.
We should write the Python
Yes.
code or
Yes.
not? The Python code. That code we should save or not? That code we should save. While saving the file extension must be .py.
.py.
While saving the coding file, the extension must be .py. Say this one. Python file. Say this one. Python file extension must be .py. What is the extension? .py. And another thing, we should execute the code or not?
Yes.
Reply to it. We should execute the code or not? We need to
Yes.
execute the. How to execute the code? To execute the code, we will use either Python 2 or Python 3 tool. With the help of either Python tool or Python 3 tool, we are able to execute the Python file. See this one, we will execute, we will execute, we will execute with the help of either Python or Python 3. Python 3 tools. Example, Rasgar, how to execute demo.py. Python demo.py. Automatically the code will execute. Or try to say this one. Python 3 demo.py. Got it or not? Python 3, which one here? Demo.py. Either Python 2 or Python 3. We are able to execute the code. But yeah, Samir, if you don't mind, don't fill the board here. Please explain here. What is Python?
It's a high
What
level
is Python?
High
High
level
level
Programming language.
programming language.
to build Shishma, to build these applications. Which one is the prerequisite?
Python.
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 Fun. Will Python supports libraries? Vamsi garu. Will Python supports libraries? Yes. Coming to the Satish, Python supports so many. Fine.
APIs.
Fun. Yeah. Rajgar, how to develop API also? How to develop also? With the
Fast
help of
API. Using
Fast
fast API.
API library.
fast API to develop fast API, fast user to develop application. Got it or not? Then user to develop a statement application. Then how to run APIs, how to run APIs
We need
with the help of
UVCon.
on server.
Recon.
UVCon. Coming to the UVCon is used to run the fast API also. Yes or not? How to download these libraries?
The
How
pip.
to download libraries? Pip is the
Using pip tool.
pip is the tool. Pip is the tool used to download these libraries. And another thing, what is the extension for the Python file?
Not py.
What is
Py.
the extension for the file? .py or not? The extension for the Python file is the .py. Am I right or not? Come on, next one. And how to execute Python code? Either Python or either Python or
Python 3.
Python.
Python 3.
Python 3.
Python or Python 3. Automatically, we are able to execute the Python code. But yeah, and one more thing. Gopal, I wanted to comment some code. For example, Rajgaru, this is the line number 1. This is the line number 2. And this is the line number 3. Line number 3, Python code. Line number 3, this is the line number 4. And line number 5. So many lines of code is there. Rajgaru, you are asking me, Samba, I don't want to execute line number 3. You are asking like that. Which line you don't want to execute?
Line
Respond.
number
Which
3.
line? So that line you need to comment it. If you comment that line, that code won't execute. That code won't executed by either Python or Python 3. Fine. How to represent a comment? How to represent a comment with the help of what? With the help of hash or not? Hash you to represent the comment. The commented code won't execute. Whatever the commented code is there, the commented code won't execute. Fine. Team, Satish, try to say this one. How to represent the comment? Satish, hash use
As
use use to respond. Comment the code or not?
Comment to code.
Comment the code. Next one. Commented code. Commented code won't execute. Won't execute by Python or Python or Python 3.
Python 3.
Or Tasker. In the interview, they will ask, what is the specialty of comments? In the interview, they will ask you, what is the specialty of comments? Comments increases application readability. Comments increases application readability. So that's one of the interview question. Remember that one. Comments, comment, comments increases application what? Application readability. In order
Ability.
to increase application readability, then we need to go for the comments. Got it up. And one more. Yeah, fine. Wait here again. Here is print. Print is the predefined function. Print is the predefined function. Use to display output on console. Use to display output on where? Console. Yeah. How to display output on console? Responding. How to display output on the console? With the help of what?
Print.
Print. With the help of function. Print method also correct. Everyone's are correct. Print is the predefined used to display output on used to display the output on.
Excuse me.
Got it?
Someone is on unmute. I cannot able to hear you properly.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Someone. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes. Fine. Yeah. Samir, please provide the review again here. Then I need you to go for the practical approach. Samir, what is Python? If anyone asked you, what is Python?
It's a high level.
High level programming language.
Team, if you people have any background noise early morning in the house, if you have any background noise, I'm requesting please mute yourself because then only the video will be clear cut video. Otherwise, we're getting the background noises. And another thing, fine. Rajgar, Python is the prerequisite for Rajgar responder.
Build
Prerequisites built.
Machine
Prerequisite
learning,
for build. Machine
deep
learning.
all are
learning, NLP,
machine learning
generative.
applications. Rajgar, and one more thing, how to build deep learning applications. How to build deep learning applications. TensorFlow, TensorFlow and
TensorFlow.
PyTorch. TensorFlow and PyTorch. TensorFlow and PyTorch is the library used to build deep learning applications. Yes, sir. And how to run API calls? How to run
Fast
API
using
calls?
fast API library.
Develop,
UV
develop.
Unit,
UV
Unicast.
Unicorn.
become server to develop fast API calls. Yes, sir. And Asya, one more thing. How to display rich output, rich styled output with the help of what? Rich library.
Rich.
Rich.
Another thing. And one more thing, Satish. Satish, how to download these libraries? Satish, how to
Pip,
download these
pip,
libraries
Pip tool.
with
pip,
the help of the paper,
pip tool.
paper, the tool. Pip is the tool used to download these libraries. Yes, sir. Gopal, and one more thing. What is the file extension? Gopal, Bolo, what is the file
.py.
extension? .py.
.py.
Samir, how to execute the code? Samir, how to execute the code?
We can execute in
Python.
either
Either
Python.
Python or Python 3.
Python or Python 3. Next one, team working people already whoever working in the don't fill the board because our target is the everyone need to understand along with me. So that's our target. Suresh garu, how to represent a comment? How to represent a comment? Hash.
Hash.
Hash used to represent the comment. Yeah. What is the speciality of comment? Rajgar, what is the speciality of comment? Commented code won't
Code.
execute by commented code
Python or
won't
Python.
Python or Python 3. Either
Python 3.
Python 3. What is the specialty of comments? Comments increases. Comments
Application
Application
increases.
reliability.
reliability.
How to display output on console? How to
Print.
display output
Print.
console?
Print.
For print. Print use it to display. Coming to the print use it to display output on the console. Got it, happened. Fun. Yeah, team. Today is our first programming. You people need the first programming. How you people can do along with me? How you can do it? Even though no, please try to do along with me. How I am doing it, you people need to do it.
Gee, I got
Fun.
one doubt.
Yeah, say this. Go ahead.
If
Go ahead.
I want commit more than one line, that time ASCII enough, other syntax there. If single line ASCII enough,
Single
more
line,
than one
single
line.
we can't, we don't have that one here. Because of that reason, in the Python, they're using the triple quotes. They're using the triple quotes. Got it? Fine. Yeah, team, try to see the one. Everyone, how I am doing here, you people need to do like that. 100% you are able to execute the code. Otherwise, you are unable to execute the code. Fine. Team, is it a desktop? Yes. In the desktop, create one new folder. Create one new folder. The folder name. The folder name is the Agentic AI. Don't give any space. It's a single word. Agentic AI. Don't give the space. Don't give the space. Agentic AI folder you people need to create it. And after creating Agentic AI folder, please open VS Code. Want to open the VS. What are the VS Code is there? You need to open the VS Code. After opening the VS Code, go to which one? File. Go to which one? Go to which one? Open folder. Go to open folder. And go to which one? Desktop. Go to the desktop and select the Agentic AI. select which folder. The folder is the Agentic AI folder. Automatically, we are able to fill the Agentic AI folder. Next one, team. One more thing. And enable auto save. Compulsory. It should be in the tick mode. If you click again, it will disappear. It is compulsory. Compulsory. You need to enable
Before
auto
2 days,
save.
I created Agentic AI folder, sir.
Compulsory.
Before 2 days, I created Agentic AI folder, sir. Can I create again?
I think use the same folder. Nothing will happen. Use the same folder. Use the same folder. Not an issue here. The reason is that because today 3 to 4 members are the members, so that's fine. I'm explaining it.
Okay, okay.
See this one. Team, see this one. You people need to create one folder. I'm saying again here. This is which folder? So this
Agentic
is
AI
one.
folder.
This is Agentic folder. Any space between agentic and AI? No space.
No.
Don't space also. Never space also. Cycle. This is which ID? VS code. No?
Visual Studio
VS
Code. Yes, sir.
Please go to VS Code and go to which one? File. No.
File,
File.
open
Open folder.
folder,
File. Open folder. Desktop. Agentic AI. You people need
Agentic
to
AI.
do Agentic AI. Automatically, we are able to open Agentic AI. Got it already done. And another thing. Team. Here, say this one. Here we have the 4 options. Here we are able to see the 4 options. Let's go to try to say this one. What is the option 1?
New
New
file,
file. New file. What is the option 2?
new folder,
New
New
folder.
folder. What is the next option?
Refresh
refresh,
Explorer.
What's the next one? Collapse.
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 The third option. New file, new folder, refresh, and collapse. Please click new file. I want you to click a new file. New file, series 1. 01 minus basics. Basics.py. 01 minus, I think it's not mandatory, but as my habit, I'm placing like this. Or you can place the basics.py on bunch. Anything you can place it. 01 minus basics.py. What is the file name? .py or not? What is the extension? Cycle, what is the extension?
.py.
Dot.
Dot .py.
Rajgar, which one we need to click? New file or
New file.
the file name? What is the file name? 01 minus
Base.
basics.py. Rajgar, how to display output on console? How to display output on console? Print or not?
Using print. Yes.
Print.
Print. Welcome to first Python class. Welcome to first Python say.
Sir, how to install VS Code actually?
VS
My
Code.
first class actually.
Got it here. To install VS Code, you need to visit one website. Can I share this link in the chat box?
Yes, sir.
And one suggestion to you. Today, don't install it. After the class, you can install it. You have the Python online compiler. Na? Python online compiler. So directly you can write the code or not. Yes or not. For just now, along with me to practice yourself, just write with the Python online compiler today itself. After the class, please install it. I shared the link also. And directly we can write the code there. Fine. Yeah, Rajgar, try to say this one. What is the predefined function? What is the predefined
Print.
function? Python. Print.
Python.
Print. What is the message?
Welcome.
Welcome to first Python.
And another thing. Yeah, Samir, can you help me? How to open the terminal? How to open the terminal? Say this one.
Go
View.
to view,
Terminal.
terminal.
View terminal.
Change.
To say this one. Simply we need to go to the view. Simply we need to go to the view. And we need to open the terminal. Got it on. Go to which one? View terminal. And change from PowerShell to here you are able
Command
to
prompt.
change from PowerShell to command prompt. As you have this class session. PowerShell to command prompt. What are the PowerShell is there? We need to change from PowerShell to command prompt. Yes or not? To change it, we have a small drop down. Here we have a small drop down. Rasgar. Here we have a very small drop down is there. Through the drop down, we need to change from PowerShell to command. Got it or not? After that, how to execute the code? I want to execute the code. How to execute the code? Python 01
01
0
basics dot
minus
py.
basics.py. If it is not working, you people need to go to Python 3. You people need to go to Python 3. Either Python or Python 3. In some laptops, Python will work. In some laptops, Python will work. In some laptops, both will work. Got it or not? And another thing, team, before running the code, you should install the Python also. Python also. How to know the Python version? Python space minus minus version. Python must be in our laptop. Python must be there. Then only your code will execute. Otherwise, your code won't execute. Team, execute this one.
సాంబా గారు యాక్చువల్గా నేను వన్ అది ఫస్ట్ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేశారు కదా,
Yes.
ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్స్ వన్ -basics.py.
Hmm. Hmm.
అది నేను కంట్రోల్ ట్యాబ్ కొట్టేసరికి అది పక్కకు
Right
ఈ
click,
పక్క పేజ్.
right click, right click,
ఓకే.
team, right team, right click on
కాదండి
the
పక్క రైట్ క్లిక్ కానీ ఇక్కడ జనరేట్ కోడ్ Ctrl+I ఆర్ సెలెక్ట్ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ అని అట్లా వచ్చింది.
Can you please share your screen? Share.
సెకండ్ షేర్ చేసి
రాజు గారు ఇంటికి వచ్చేసేయండి, ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడికి ఎస్ఆర్ నగర్ వచ్చేసేయండి, నాతో పాటు మీరు ఇక్కడ
ఓకే ఓకే
రేపటి నుంచి
ఓకే ఓకే రైట్. సరే సరే ఓకేనండి.
share the screen. Remaining people, please execute the code. Rahman, please input here. Yeah, Raj garu, close the file. How you need to close the file? Here into button is there. No? Into button, close it. And right click on the file. Right click. No, here itself. Right click, delete. Not there. Not on the right click on the file. Right click.
ఇక్కడ
Not
అండి,
here. Ikkadalandi. Right click on the right click, delete. That's it. Create the new file again. 01 minus basics.py dot py. That's it. Okay, nothing. You can write. You can type the code information. Even though generate code is there, no need to worry. No need to worry. Leave it. Type the code, it will disappear. Type the code, it will disappear automatically. Click the into button. Here you have the into button. Wait here. I will show it. Here you have the into button downside. Yes, and here you have the into button on the top. Click it. Click that one. And to type the code, even if you type the code there, it will make up. Type it. Even the generate code, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. It will disappear. Type the code, it will disappear. Can you stop the screen share?
Okay.
Team, are you people able to execute? Can you please give the confirmation?
Yes.
No need to hesitate, team. No need to hesitate. Because the batch is formed here, because up to getting the clarity, I have the energy to explain it. Arun garu, what is the issue you are facing? Arun garu, may know issue. What is the issue you are facing? Do you need any help or will you execute? Hemamalni respond. Satish. Rahman.
Sir, I need to execute in Python online company.
Whatever it means, because you don't have software setup, so no issue. Arun garu, which one you are feeling like a difficulty? You are saying like I want to learn from the scratch. Let me know which one is the difficulty here. If you tell, then unmute, can you please unmute yourself? We started from the scratch itself, na? Arun garu.
Sir, I'm from non-technical background, so I'm having some difficulty to follow.
Where you are bouncing? If you tell, then exactly, because
I'm not familiar with the software and I need to have some guidance on software.
Installation, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, after the class, our team will connect. They will install it. Already we done yesterday, na, Arun garu? Software installation.
No, sir. I just tried to download by myself. I think it's not proper.
Okay, fine. After the class, sir, then our team, anyone will connect with you in our laptop, they will install it. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, na, fine. Arun garu, and one more thing. We started from the scratch itself only. Okay, na? But you need to catch from here itself. No more option. Okay, na? Fine. And one more thing. If you have any issue, our team will connect after the session. Then they will solve it. Fine. Team, let me go through the another thing here. And one more thing. And one more thing is the Asgar try to say this one. Print. Print. Then we can perform some expressions also. Say this one. 100 plus 100. It will display the output here. Yeah. How to execute the code? How to execute the code? Python. Python what? 01
Zero
basic.
one basics.
01 basic
Basic
start.
stuff.
Automatically very able to put it here. And another way, in another way, say this one, Python, not Python, print,
Print.
print, try to say this one, hello, print what we need to do place, we need to do place the hello, but automatically we're able to display. And another thing, is the print, print, we need to do place, print, we need to do place Agentic AI, print what we need to do place Agentic AI. But another try to say this one, everything displayed with the new line or not. Everything displayed with the new line or not. Line 1. Sir, active on sir, nothing will happen, sir. ఏది మనం దాటిపోయేది ఏముండదండి. ఏది ఉండదండి మీరు పాజిటివ్ యాటిట్యూడ్ తెలుసుకోండి అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఇట్. వన్ సే దిస్ వన్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ డిస్ప్లేడ్ విత్ ద న్యూ లైన్ ఆర్ నాట్. Yes or not?
Yes.
Don't
Yes.
display the
Yes, yes.
don't display the new line. Never display the new line. Display side by side. I want you to display side by side. If you want to display side by side, then we have the end. End equal to we need to do place like this. Some space like a line to line. I need to place some space. Automatically, we're able to display some line by line here. On a horizontal, we will display. Rajgar, are we getting the gap here? Yes, sir, Nita. Not only gap,
Oh,
not I wanted to see the some separator like this. I wanted to see some separator like this. Are we able to see the separator? Respond.
yeah.
Are to see the separator? Yes, we're able to see the separator. Not only slash here, I wanted to see the sum star. Anything. Right here we need to place the sum separator here. Not only this one, I wanted to see the sum and symbol. We're able to say it. We're able to say that. Samir, can you please explain here how to display result side by side? To display result side by side. Which one we need to use?
And
Which one
And
we need to use? Money and we need to use the end. This used to display a result side by side. Fine. Arun garu, now today just to practice with the online editor. I'm sharing the online editor here. After the class, our team will connect with you. In our laptop, our team will install the VS Code. No need to worry. But just for the today, just to practice with the online editor. Team, all the people, please execute the code.
For end parameter, can you please explain this?
Nothing, ma'am. Say this one. Uh, ma'am, here, hello and Agentic AI displayed side by side or not? See the
Yes,
result.
sir. Yes,
If
sir.
you, yeah, side by side or not? To display result
Mm-hmm.
side by side, we will use the end. Between hello and Agentic AI, which one you are able to see? Which one you are able to
Ampersand,
see?
ampersand.
Yeah, that is the output. Team, please execute and please get the confirmation also.
done, sir.
Yeah. Ranigar, please run with the online editor. Satish, you're doing now? Satish, you attended the last
Yes,
session
I'm
also.
fine. Done.
Yeah. Satish, did you attend last session also? Na?
Today only I joined.
Today only. Na? ప్రసాద్ గారు ఆర్ యూ దేర్ నా సార్ ఎందుకు మాట్లాడలేదండి మీరు అసలు
So whenever we are writing something, we need to use the parenthesis, right?
Exactly.
So
You
we
were talking about this one, Samir. You were talking about this one, bracket, na?
no, yeah, parenthesis, yeah.
Yeah, yes, that's a parenthesis.
Okay, we have to use no matter what. There should be a
No, that is a predefined syntax.
okay.
Team
Hi,
is
this is Rema here. So in print
you know,
100
mm,
plus 100,
mm.
so do do we really require directly without assigning any variable like 100 variable number 100 number 200?
Why not? Why
Um,
not? Why not? We need to place it. You were talking about the variables. Yes, sir.
okay.
Store
No,
100 to the x variable, store 100 to the y variable, z equal to x plus y, something you are expecting. That is also possible. Just
yeah,
without that one also, we are able to print it. Evaluation. This one we can call the evaluation. This is also possible.
this looks good actually because I tried with that way, but
Hmm.
that is like we need to write 3 lines of code, but this is simply allowing us this. I never know, so I'm wondering this is really good actually.
Got it. And Rahman, my answer for you is the this is not good, that is the good. Got it, na?
Okay,
Not this one,
okay,
that is the good. Because in the future, you can use the x variable and y variable.
okay.
Got my answer.
Good.
That is
Yeah,
the
thank you.
yeah. Team, can I go to the Rasgaru done now? Rasgaru respond. Fine. Yeah.
Yes, Amma.
Arunagaru,
Yes.
please run with the online editor. Okay, na? Sir, respond on it. Aruna, please respond.
Right.
Yeah. Fine. Arunagaru may know I want to comment this code. How can I comment this code? How can I comment this code? Can you please help me? How can I
Using
comment this code?
hash.
Hash.
Hash, hash. All the
Hash.
lines I wanted to comment at a time. All the lines I need to comment at it. Can I place the control question mark? Control question mark automatically. Control question mark team. In our laptop, you have the control now. Control question mark. All the lines we're able to comment at a time. All the lines. Whatever the lines are there, all the lines we're able to comment at a time here. Fine. Team speed okay na? Okay na speed or can I slow down still?
Okay,
Fine,
sir.
sir.
Fine
Okay,
na?
Andy. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Next one. See the another thing. And one more thing. Razgaru, I wanted to accept dynamic data. I wanted to read the dynamic data. Yes or not? How to read the dynamic data? Try to say this one. I wanted to read the dynamic data here. How to read it? One. Input. 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 Enter your name. Razgar, this is the question. Enter your name. How to ask the questions? To ask the questions, we have the input function. Input is
Input.
the function. It is used to ask the questions. Got it or not? And catch one variable. And you need to catch one variable. Like you can take the name variable, not an issue. Not only name, you can take the x variable, y variable, y variable, z variable, anything we can take it. Fine. Now print that name. I need to print that name. Print that name. Fine. Razgar, how to execute the code? Respond. How to execute the code? Python. Python.
Python.
G basics to Python. Yeah. Razgar, is it asking the question or not?
Yeah.
Yes or not? It is asking the question. Then I need to enter the answer. What is the answer I need to enter? vPro na one. Razgar. Whatever the vPro is there, that vPro automatically store to this name. Okay. Na?
Okay.
Finally, this name contain what? vPro. And
Wipro.
we are printing that vPro here. Whatever the vPro is there, we are printing that vPro here. Got it or not? Run the code again. I need to run the code again. Yes, that vPro printed or not? That vPro printed or not? Team, I'm repeating again here. Rosgar, x equal to
Yes,
x
sir.
equal to what is the predefined function? Input or not? Input. Enter your course. Enter your course. So this is the question. Am I right or not? And print what? What we need to print? What we need to print the X or not? Print the X. Simply, we should be in a position, we need to print the X. Razgar, is it asking the question or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Andy.
Enter your course. What is our course of Agentic AI?
Agentic AI.
Whatever the Agentic AI we have, that Agentic AI, what are the Agentic AI we have, that Agentic AI store to that Agentic AI store to X. That Agentic AI store to X, and I'm printing that X. I'm printing the text automatically. We're able to see it. But let me go through another example. I want you to go to another example. Samir, okay na?
Sir,
Samir.
sir, here we have not declared X as string or number
Not
anything.
required. Not required. Not required here.
Okay.
That is the advantage of the Python. I hope you are thinking like a C, C++, Java, .NET.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
yes.
that facility is not there. This is the dynamic programming. That,
Okay, sir.
and then Ras garu, see this one. Name equal to. Now try to say this one. Here I need to place name equal to. Name equal to what we need to place input or not? Input.
Input.
See this one. Enter what we need to place. Enter your name. Something we need to place it. Yes or not? Print it. Print. Yeah. Print we need to place. Here I need to place some message here. Which message I need to place? Uh, welcome to. Welcome to. Here I need to place. Welcome to. I need to place the name. Both I need to print. Fine. Run the code. Fine. Razgar, what is the question it is asking?
Enter your name.
Enter your name. Here I need to place the. Here I need to place the sum. Fine. Arun garu, what we entered? What we entered? Samba or not? We entered the samba. Whatever the samba is there, that samba will store here. Yes, sir. Aranagar, please respond here. I entered the
Okay.
samba. That samba store to where name. And what is the output we are getting? Welcome to samba.
Samba.
Welcome. They're printing both. Now run the code. What are the code is there? That code we need to run. Yes. Got it now? Automatically we're able to set output. Output is the welcome to samba. Team, I'm requesting all the people, please execute the code. Not later, team, within a class only, not later, now itself only. Rahman, okay, now following now, or feeling like a difficulty. Rahman,
Yes, Samba, I'm following. Yes, thank you.
Satish Manu.
Yes, I am Balanji. I'm
ప్రసాద్ గారు అసలు మాట్లాడలేదండి, మీరు కంప్లీట్ మ్యూట్ అయిపోయారు.
No, no, no. No,
అసలు
I am
మాట్లాడలేదు.
doing.
నిన్న కూడా
No,
మాట్లాడలేదు, నిన్న కూడా సైలెంట్ అన్నాను.
no. Okay, good.
రాజు గారు, ఈవెన్ ద డిఫికల్టీ టు ఇట్.
Bro, I think data type is no need in Python, right?
The same question asked by the cycle also, not required.
Yes.
That is the advantage of the Python. Asya, okay, Asya, are you able to execute?
Yes, sir.
One more doubt, bro. I got one more doubt. It's also converting data type also. Implicit data type, right?
Not implicit, sir. We need to explicitly. Can I show that example? What you asked me?
Oh,
Can I
nice.
show?
Print. You type print.
One second. Print. Print.
vbro. Double quote vbro.
Vpro.
Plus outside. Plus 5.
One second.
Yeah, comma. 5 plus 20.
Can I place plus 20 here? 20, na?
Yes.
You asked me run the code,
comma training.
Double quotes, na?
Yes.
I will tell the reason why we got that output. Also, I will tell the reason. Say this one. We got the error. But in other languages, you know which language you know? Which language you know?
C sharp.
C sharp. In
C sharp.
other languages, I will in the C sharp. What is the output here? In the C sharp, output is the vpro 520 vpro 520 training. In the C sharp, this is the output. Am I right or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, but in Python, we are unable to add string to number. We are unable to add. I think for our clarity, remove this one. This is one of the interview question. Why you asked? Did you check any questions, sir? Did you check any
No,
questions, sir?
no, normal.
Say this one.
No,
Here,
normal.
this one. In a Python, we are unable to add string to number, but in other languages possible. What are the languages are existed in the platform? In other languages, it's possible, but here it's not possible. Remember that point. I will tell that reasons also in the future. Team, once completed, give the confirmation also. Arun garu, are you in the Hyderabad? If you're in the Hyderabad, sir, please come to the office location. Then we'll help you. Sir, Hyderabad, sir, are you from Hyderabad? Yeah.
Hey, I'm from Hyderabad.
Yeah. Rahim, are you asking question?
No. I was saying that I'm from Hyderabad. So
Yeah. Team, if anyone feeling like a difficulty, like maybe whoever listening the first time, if few people are feeling like a difficulty, then you can come to my house itself in SR Nagar. My house is there. Then you can sit along with me here. Then we can do that one. No need to hesitate. If you're okay, please come to the location itself. Then you can execute the code along with me. Team, can I go to the another example? Askia, can I go to the another example?
Yes.
Yes.
Askia, see this one. How to ask the questions, Askia? Input or meta? Input. Input, here what we need to do? Enter num1. Rasgaru. Enter what? Enter num1. Enter num1. Fine. Rasgaru. That num1, what are the num1 is there? That num1 store to x. And can I ask the another question? Yes or not? Y equal to what we need to do plus enter. Input, enter what? Enter num2. Enter num2. Say this one. And another thing. Rasgar, for example, in the answer, I want to enter the 10. Okay, na? That 10 store to where? Respond. The 10 store to where x or not?
X.
X. But unfortunately, Rasgar, that 10 will store in the form of a string. Got it or not? Not to 10 directly, it will store in the form of a string. This is the string or not? Double quotes in the sense what? String or not?
String.
String.
Yes. String.
This string, this is string, we need to convert it to number. What are the string is there? That string we need to convert it to number. Then only we can perform mathematical operations. Otherwise, we are unable to perform mathematical operations. Am I right or not? Yes. How to convert a string to number? To convert, we have one predefined function. Then that function we can call into function. This into function will convert. This into function will convert string to int. String to int. Integer. Next one. See this one here. Addition equal to. Here we need to do plus addition. Addition equal to what we need to do plus x plus y. X plus y. Ask here. Now is x integer or string? Ask here. Integer or not?
Integer.
This one. And another thing. And one more thing. Integer. Next one. Y also integer or
Int.
string?
Integer.
Integer. Because of what?
Int.
Because of
Int
what?
function.
Because of
Int function.
because of print it. How to print it? How to print it? Print
Print
addition,
addition.
print addition, comma Samir addition, print addition, comma addition. Samir, can you help me how to run the code? Samir, can you help me how to run the code? Python, Python 01 basics.py. Samir, is it asking the question number one? Question number one. What is the answer? What is the answer? Question number two. Two is the 100. Result is result. Result is the 300. Fine. Team, please execute the code.
Then
Gee, I got one more doubt.
Hmm.
Can you hear me?
Satish.
Gee, you told you told we want to perform some numeric operator. That time we want to use some library like NumPy. Where is
NumPy.
NumPy library? NumPy
No, not
library.
using that. Not using that. Today we are not using that. Maybe in the upcoming classes, after completing the basics,
Okay.
then we will see. Okay, na? To
Without
perform
library, how it's working? Without library, how
inbuilt,
it is working?
inbuilt. Python supports some basic calculations, inbuilt calculations it will
Okay,
support.
okay.
If you need the advanced calculations like 1D list, 2D list, ND list, if you need advanced
Okay.
calculation at the time compulsory, we need to install it. Got that?
I have a question. So what if the number is in a string? So what will happen?
Answer is the 200, 100. No, Samir, can you please do that one? Remove the int here and do it, then you can get the clarity.
Okay, I'll try.
Answer is you know the answer? The answer is the 200, 100. This is the answer we are able to say.
Okay.
Remove that int and run it, then you can get the clarity.
Okay.
Team, everyone is important to us, not one or two. Everyone, I will focus on everyone. Please support it, even the difficulty team. If you want to come to the offline care, I will be here. Then you can come. Otherwise, after the session also, then take the support. But only one thing I can do, I can provide the very high level content team, no doubt at all. But without doing that work on that day, it's a difficult. Even though, for example, today we done this one. Tomorrow, I'm not responsible for this one. You people should ready with this one. Without preparing, without watching the video, if you come to the session, no user. Even not only you, myself also. For example, I wanted to learn some quantum computing. Now I am seeing the quantum computing steps. Without practicing, it's a highly difficult. Got it or not? So my humble request is that please practice on the same day. If you have a small question also, already WhatsApp group created. Here in the WhatsApp group, directly ping it. Directly ping to us. Then anyone will help you. Team, can I go to another example? Rasgaru.
Yes,
Rasgaru
bro.
output and Rasgaru asal compromise and output calls in the fine. Next one. Gopal, can I go to the next level?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Prasad Garu output. Got the output na?
Yes, sir, got sir.
Prasad Garu.
Yes, sir. Yes,
How
sir.
to Prasad Garu, how to display rich output?
Rich.
Yeah. How to display? Arunagar, please respond here. How to display rich output? Arunagar like red color output, green color output, blue color output, different styles I need. Which library is required? Library. Which library? Rich library or not?
Rich,
Rich
rich
library.
library.
Fine. అరుణ్ గారు యాక్టివ్ ఉండండి, పర్లేదండి. ఐ విల్ బి దేర్ అండి, ఖచ్చితంగా మీ హెల్ప్ చేస్తానండి. మన రిచ్ లైబ్రరీ. అరుణ్ గారు, హౌ టు డౌన్లోడ్ దట్ లైబ్రరీ? పిప్ ఆర్ నాట్? పిప్. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ లైబ్రరీ, దెన్ దట్ లైబ్రరీ వి కెన్ కాల్ పిప్ లైబ్రరీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? మన రాజు గారు లైక్ హౌ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్. రాజు గారు లెట్ మీ నో హౌ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్. పిప్. రాజు గారు పిప్ ఇన్స్టాల్. పిప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ విచ్ లైబ్రరీ? Rich library or not?
Rich,
Pip
rich.
install. Try to say this one. Pip, pip, install,
Install
rich.
rich library.
In some laptops, Asya, in some laptops, it is asking pip 3. Some laptops pip, some laptops pip 3. Check your laptop. Here, if pip working, no need to worry. Otherwise, pip 3. Run it. Browser downloaded or not?
Yes, Andy.
Sir, for installing Visual Studio, so what should be the Windows configuration? Should be Windows 10 or
No.
Windows 11?
No, Hamamali. No need to go for any configuration. Just to click the download button. The VS Code will download according to your laptop configuration. So what are the link I shared in that link? Just to click the Windows. That's it. It will download according to 64. Download the 64, Windows 64. Team, can you please help me? Can you please help me? How to download rich library? Reply. How to download rich library? P. Install rich. Install
Rich.
rich. In some laptops. In some laptops, what is the command? pip3. Prasad garu. pip3 install rich.
Rich.
Fine. Yeah. Prasad garu. Say this part. Import. Import print function. Special print function. How to import it? From which library? From which library? Rich library or not?
Rich.
Answer. From which library? Rich
Yes,
library.
rich
Rich
library.
library.
Import what? Import what? Import what? Print. Import what?
Print.
Print. Rasgaru. This print have. This print and this print both are different. Not the same. Wait here. Here also I used the print or not. This print
Okay.
and this print both are different, not the same. This print is the normal print. But what is the speciality of this print? This print able to display colored output. Colored outputs. Got it or not? Both are different, not the same. Okay, na? Fine. How to display colored output? Razgar, please tell me how to import it. How to import it? Can you please tell me how to import it? Hmm, from which library? From which library? Rich library.
Rich.
Import what? Import what? Import which function? Print function.
Print.
Yes, sir. One. This print function, both are different. Both are different. What is the specialty of this print function? Display the colored output or not?
Colored. Colored output.
Samir, say this one. Print. Arun Garu, try to say this one. Print. Print. Samir, which color we required?
Right color.
Red color. Red color. Say this one here. Here what we need to do place. Here what we need to do place. Hello Python. Hello Python. Razgaru. Say this one here. Here /red. Razgaru. First of all, you need to tell which color you want to apply. Okay, na?
Red color.
Later you need to apply. Say this one. This is the starting of the color. This is the ending of the color. Yes or not? This is what? Starting of the color. This is what? Ending of the color. Between starting and ending. Between starting and ending, we have the hello Python. Razgar, what we have hello Python?
Yes.
The hello
Hello
Python.
Python.
The hello Python will be printed here. Yes, what is the color we are able to see?
Right.
Hello Python. Red.
Red color. Fun. Yeah. And one more thing. One more thing. Say this one. Samir, say this one. Samir. Now green color na. Samir, green color. Next one. Bold na. Bold. Here I need to place. What we need to place? Agentic AI. Agentic AI. We need to close or not? Respond. We need to close or not? We need to close it. How we need to close it? We should be in a position we need to close it. What we need to close? Green color. Next one.
Green.
Bold.
Bold. I'm not sure right or not. We need to check it. Yes, got it or not, Razgar. What is the color we are able to see?
Green.
Green color. What
Green.
is the
Green.
font? What is the font style we are able to see? Bold.
Bold.
Bold. Say this one. This is the starting. This is the ending. Between starting and ending, whatever we have, it will be
Suppose
effect.
we forget to give an end, that time what type of output will get?
Can you please ask the question again? Can you ask the question again?
You forget to mention end
Error.
end.
Error. Answer is the error. Either error, otherwise nothing will work.
Oh,
But remove it and check from your data.
okay. Came error.
Asia, once done, give the confirmation. Arunagaru, what happened, sir? Yeah. Team, in a WhatsApp group, already we created one group. In a WhatsApp group, I will share a repository link. And from the repository link itself, you are able to download the code. Got it? I will share a repository link in the WhatsApp group. In the repository link, you are able to see the code. Fine. Team, in that WhatsApp group, wait here, let me do something. Team series fun. This is the WhatsApp group I needed to share. Arungar, by default, we are in the which batch? Response, by default, we are in the which branch? Batch 1 or not? Batch 1 or not? Batch 1. Rasgaru, you need
Yes,
to
అండి
click
బ్యాచ్.
batch 2. You need to click batch 2. If you click batch 2, then you are able to see the code. Whatever the code is there, that code you people are able to see it. Okay, and then you can download it also. Here in the code, you are able to download it also. You are able to download, you people are able to practice. Within 10 to 15 minutes, I will share that repository URL in the WhatsApp group itself. Okay, then? Fine. Yeah. Any questions, team? Do you people want to ask any questions, sir? Anyone, team? Anyone have a question, sir? Are you people able to follow? Are you
can
people
you
able
repeat?
to follow if I do like this? Give the reply, team. Please give the reply. Are you people able to follow if I do like this?
Yes, I'm able to follow. But before you typing the syntax, can you also mention, I mean, if it's numerical, you're doing a parenthesis and everything. So I'm just confused here.
You were talking about this parenthesis, no?
There's closing and opening the brackets. Yeah, I'm little,
There's a,
yeah.
yeah, Samir, one suggestion. Through the practice itself, only you can get it. Through the practice itself. Okay, na? Fine. Samir, like you asked, na, please tell like print this the parenthesis. You are asking like this, na? If I tell that point here, unnecessary, maybe not your point of view. Some people they are thinking like, what is this parenthesis? Leave it, but while seeing the code, they are typing that one. Got
Okay.
it? Na? Through the practice, follow, they can get it out. So
Okay.
that is a suggestion.
So
Okay, na?
because if it's a numerical, there's a different syntax, and if it's a way, I mean, alphabet, there are different syntax. That's why I'm confused. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Got it. But anyhow, you have the code in front of us now. Then type that code here. Then slowly you can get it because every day we are using the same syntax as Armada.
Okay. Yeah.
Same syntax. Now slowly you can get it. No need to worry. Okay. Na? Fine. Anyone have questions, Steve? Anyone? No, na?
Sir, the code
Suppose
execution.
suppose I want convert from string to int, that time which keyword use?
So you wanted to convert?
Into string.
We need to say it, na? Satish, we need to say it, na? In the future, we have the
Yes.
str function. Is that through that one? We will say it. No need to worry. Next. Any other question?
Sorry for this. I'm asking apart from this one. Yeah, I'm struggling my career. I would like to learn Agentic AI and GenAI. I can
Generative AI.
learn. It is possible for me.
Not only you, Satish, not only you, almost all the people in the class, whoever there in the class, almost all 10 years or 15 years or
I
20
don't
years.
know. I am of zero of this concept. That's why I'm asking. I don't know what is agenda, what is gen. I don't know exact meaning. Also, I don't know. That's why I'm
Got it.
asking.
Got it.
Oh,
You
why
are it.
it is using whether
Got
I'm
it.
zero. That only I'm asking.
Got it. Got it. Say this one, Satish. Not only you, in the class, whoever is there. In the class, around 17 members already enrolled. Whoever there in the class, all these people are like manager level. I think the people are coming from the non-coding background. Got it, na? Different streams of people. All the people are allowed to understand this one. Only one thing is that do
Please,
the some little bit work along with me. Okay, na?
okay. Sorry for this. If I learn this concept, I can survive after or only doing a 4 or 5 years. It is any possibility. If I am learning agentic
Not.
as GenAI, I can
Um,
survive for 4 years or 5 years because the market is very difficult now. That's why I'm asking. I
but
am also no job plus. I'm .NET full stack, but no job. now currently. That's why I'm not like to learn agentic. That's my game. If I learn this one, I can survive at least 4 or 5 years. This possible?
Can I get the answer? In the .NET, do you know core microservices, .NET core microservices?